So you want to sell online courses or coaching, but you're charging $47, $500, even $2,000, and you're wondering why you're not making sales or why you're not growing your business. Well, check this out. This is $8.5 million I have processed for my own digital products. That means online courses, coaching, masterminds, etc. And I've also processed another $2 million on PayPal, another $2 million on Authorize.net, and even $1 million in wires for my mastermind. Why am I showing this to you? So that you know what I'm about to tell you works. Simple. Now, my name is Dan Henry, and I am the author of Digital Millionaire Secrets and the founder of GetClients.com. And what I'd like to do is invite you to watch a 48-minute video on how to scale your digital product business. The 5 keys to growing and scaling your digital product business. This means online courses, coaching, software, or masterminds. Now, if you click the link included with this video, you will get instant access. This video is 48 minutes long. There is no fluff. I do not tell you my backstory. I do not tell you about my rags to riches journey and how sad and poor I was. Nobody cares. You just care how I can help you. And that is what this video will do for you. So click the link included with this video and you can watch this training right now on demand. And I promise you, it will help you. It is straight to the point, value-based, no fluff. So go ahead. If you'd like to see the 5 keys to how I grew an online digital product business, click right now and watch it. Have a good one.